Hello everybody, this is part 2 and day 2 of my Thunderbolt re-restoration. The first thing we will do is remove the horn. Unfortunately, I did not get the horn removal on video, but I did get the preparation for the horn removal on video. And everything else is also recorded. So enjoy. Here I am removing the horn support beam. There we go. And that is from the original paint job right there. Or one of the original anyways. Next up, I removed the chopper motor. And with that, my Thunderbolt is completely non-functional. Now it was time to remove the collector rings. The collector rings are secured by 4 bolts that connect to the stationary inner tube. Before I could pull out the collector rings, I would have to remove the 4 bolts that are holding them down. Okay, I can't film this. I don't want to drop this in there. That's going to be hell. Now that I have removed the 4 bolts, it was time to remove the collector rings. Beautiful. They're out. Nice. Okay, next. Now it was time to strip the paint. There goes my paint. Holy shit. Look at it goes. Paint's not coming off at all right now. Let's see here. Oh, there it goes, cracking. Getting a lot of cracking, actually. Very quickly. Don't want to get any of this shit on me. I think I will. This paint is actually on here surprisingly well. Gotta get some more stripper in here. Whoa. That concludes part 2 of my Thunderbolt re-restoration. See you guys next week.